With the release of Windows 8, Microsoft redesigned Windows shutdown options. It disabled the hibernation option by default, and modified the shutdown process to not actually shut down the computer, but leave it in a process much like hibernation. This process writes data to your hard drive every time you turn off the PC, to recover it when you turn it on and make the startup a little faster. The first step you will take is to enter the old Windows control panel. To enter, the most convenient thing is to open the Start menu and type Control Panel so that you get the option. In this step, once inside the control panel, you will see a series of sections in which all options are organized. Now click on the System and Security section, directly in the title, to access the options related to your operating system. Within the section of System and Security you will find several sections, and in each of them several different options. Here, you have to click on the option Change the actions of the Start/Off buttons, which is within the section Power Options that you will see with the icon of a battery and a cable. In this step, what you will do is to enter a screen where you see that the button to turn on the computer turns off the computer, and the one of suspension suspends it. Below you have a section called Shutdown Settings, where you have enabled the Quick Start option, but you cannot disable it.